Good morning, everyone. Onam is the festival of Kerala. It is a harvest festival and celebrated by everyone without any religious boundaries. It is believed that King Mahabali visited Kerala during this time to see his people. We decorate our houses by laying a flower carpet. This is called Pookalam. Another exciting thing is the famous boat races conducted during this time. The boats are so long and look like snakes gliding on the water. Best part of Onam is the Sadhya. It is a big feast served on a banana leaf. I love payasam the most. Onam is not just about food but also about being kind, sharing and spending